date of birth should be same, and your first name, last name also should be same as your passport. If any wrong, they will not accept it. If you are a diploma nurse in UAE, they are considering it as assistant nurse. If you have bachelor degree, then only you are eligible for registered nurse, especially for the DHA. Okay, exam created by the candidate. Okay, exam ID created by the candidates with the username and password. And the data flow has done by another agency, and they have created a new account, and data flow in one account, and Prometric is in another account, like that. You can't write DHA 3 times, HADIT 3 times, MOH 3 times, like that. You can't write the exam. Welcome to Nursing Mantra. I hope all you are keeping well. Stay safe from COVID. The first important thing you have to consider the name. Your full name, your first name, last name should be same as your passport. So many applicants are writing the name same as your certificate, but maybe after the marriage and all, name changes will be there. But the Prometric, they will check only the passport name. One applicant got issue regarding the name, like the last surname, last name has not entered. The name was, first name was too long, so only the first name has entered. So once she reached there in Chennai examination center, Prometric center, they didn't allow her. She traveled from Kerala to Chennai to write only for this exam. But they didn't allow her because her name, last name was not there. So that is very important. Same like your passport, you should mention the name in the exam. So when you are registering in the Dubai Health Authority DHA application or MOH application or HAD application, you should write the name as per your passport, your first name, middle name, last name, everything. So automatically it will come the name in the application, exam application eligibility details. It will come there. So that is one important thing. Your same passport number should same, it should be same, date of birth should be same, and your first name, last name also should be same as your passport. If any wrong, they will not accept it. While the candidate booked by themselves and spelling mistakes in the name, in that case they excused because it spells same, like the sounds, it sounds same. The name sounds same, that's why some missing of some letters they accepted also, but always all the centers they will not accept also. So you should make sure the name, spelling, everything should be correct, and full name also should be there. That is the first important thing regarding booking for the exam in the Prometric. So many applicants, they have written the exam for registered nurse, even they are diploma nurses. As you know that if you are a diploma nurse in UAE, they are considering it as assistant nurse. If you have bachelor degree, then only you are eligible for registered nurse as per the new rule. So if you are a diploma nurse, you should make sure that you wrote the exam for assistant nurse. If you write the exam for registered nurse, if you are a diploma nurse, then we will understand it in the end section. When we are applying for the eligibility, that time they will reject the application and they says that you are not eligible for registered nurse. You wrote the registered nurse exam, so it is not valid. You have to write assistant nurse exam again. So make sure that your title role should be same in the exam booking. In the hard means if you are diploma nurse, practical nurse, PN it will be, and in the if you are a BSN it will be bachelor. Like that, title role it should be same. That is very important thing.
If you did subscribe Nursing Mantra YouTube channel until now, please subscribe now and enable the bell icon to get updated videos and notification.
The exam has written in one application. That means especially for the DHA, okay, exam created by the candidate, okay, exam ID created by the candidates with the username and password, and the data flow has done by another agency, and they have created a new account, and the data flow in one account, and Prometric is in another account, like that. So always make sure that you are doing in the same application. The DHA unique ID will be same for Prometric and the data flow. Even those who have issue with that, separate IDs are there, means we have some solution for that. We can do it, no problem. If you have any issues you are facing, means you can contact me in WhatsApp. Okay, we can make it merge together. This incident is happening mainly for the DHA, because for the MOH and HAD, the authority is giving the exam eligibility and all. So there will not be any issue. They will give exact in the same ID only they are giving. Only for the DHA, we have option to book the exam first, data flow second, or as we like. As I have discussed regarding DHA licensing procedure, already discussed, in that I have mentioned. So make sure that same ID you should book the exam and data flow.
If you wish to know more details about Nursing Mantra study materials, feel free to contact me in WhatsApp. Check the description for WhatsApp link.
Usually for the Prometric exams, the exam result will get within 1 to 2 days. Even for the DHA, 1 to 2 days, because sometimes same day, if you are writing exam in the morning, maybe in the evening, night time, the result will be ready. Or sometimes second day also it will be. Same for the HAD and MOH also. Maximum of 3-4 days only it will be there. Before that we will come to know the result. In UAE, among all 3 authorities, we have total 3 attempts there. All authorities, I mean, if you write an exam MOH in one time, DHA one time, HAD one time, your 3 attempt finished. You can't write DHA 3 times, HAD 3 times, MOH 3 times, like that you can't write the exam. If you finished 3 attempts among 3 authorities, you have to wait for 2 years. As per current rule, it is for 2 years. After 2 years, you can apply again. But maybe, I don't know, after a few months, maybe they can change also the rules. Now, it is after 2 years, you can try for the exam again. Especially for the DHA, they are allowing it. Better to reschedule your exam 5 days before. For DHA, there will be reschedule fee will be there, 150 dirhams around. And for the MOH, there is no fees regarding rescheduling. But better you can reschedule at least 5 days or 7 days before the exam date. If you didn't prepare or you have any issues, you can't reach to the exam center. In all these cases, try to reschedule your exam. And there is a chance to cancel your exam also. That also 1 week before, just to do the cancellation for your exam if you are unable to reach the exam center due to some reasons. So that also possible. While you are doing cancellation, you will get the refund. The same amount, it will be refunded to your account. Some extra cutting will be there, that is because of the USD and AED calculations. The bank is taking some service charges extra, that will not be refundable, but the exact 240 USD, that same amount, it will be refunded. Before 3 days we can't do it. So 5 to 7 days, within this gap do rescheduling or cancellation. That is the another thing regarding the Prometric. I hope you are enjoyed with this video. Thank you.
Nursing Mantra website provides you information about nursing news related to licensing procedures to different countries. Study materials for different exams like DHA, HAD, MOH and other Prometric exams. Various job informations in the medical field. Free PPT presentations and notes for the nursing students as well as the lectures. Data flow and licensing verification services to all countries. Free crash course videos for different nursing exams in Nursing Mantra YouTube channel. Current news in the nursing field. I am inviting everyone to the Nursing Mantra family. Please subscribe and join Nursing Mantra to avail more updates. Thank you.